For the love of summer, let us make a sweet, tasty, health and fresh smoothie that is made from the mangoes and all the summer fruits that I have just harvested from my sites. Exciting. We have got mangoes, we've got peaches, we have got what is that? Oh, I bought that other one. It's plum. I bought the plum. We don't have plums, but we have mangoes, we have peaches. So the way I make my smoothie, I keep the pills. Some people prefer to remove the pills when they are making the smoothies. I prefer to keep the pills because the pills are the ones that have got all the nutrients that you can think of, all the nutrients and the taste that come with the fruit. They have contain all the protein. So if you throw away the pill, as long as you are able to wash your fruits thoroughly. And what I usually do with my fruits when I am washing them, I'm removing those pills because they've got black, those black things. So those are the ones that I remove. But the pills that are more clearer, have got more clearer skin and smoother texture, I keep them. So the best thing to do is to make sure that your fruits are thoroughly washed, as I was just saying. So I wash my fruits thoroughly. I rinse them. First of all, I soak them in water with just a drop of white or black or brown vinegar. And then after that, I wash them, take them out of that vinegar and rinse them off, and then drain them, and then I can start using them anyhow. And then here I am making a smoothie that contains the plum, the mango, the banana, and I love to put a little bit of coconut flakes in my smoothies. I love coconut flakes. I also put chia seeds. I also put milk. But the milk that I usually put in my smoothie, I like using soya milk. It's going to be coconut water that is going to be the base for my smoothie so that it can mix up easily. I use soya milk. As you can see, I'm putting soya milk. I use coconut milk. I use butternut milk. I also use those milks that does not have lactose in them. I prefer them on my smoothie. Sometimes I'll put a bit of yogurt, plain one of course, double cream, spoon of yogurt or cream, depending on how I want them to taste. But in this case, I just wanted something simple, something very fresh, mango-like and very tasty. So here we go. Those are my chia seeds. I also added an apple, a very, very green apple on my smoothie. And I also added a handful, just a little bit of coconut flakes. And voila! And some ice. It's summer after all. What is a smoothie without ice to give it that chili, yeah. Let's enjoy. Look at that. Ooh, doesn't it look nice? If you like the recipe, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, and tune in for more. Thank you for watching.